It's very easy to get a meal. It's all about choices, and you're the one that makes the choice. Each day you are offered entrees, of which you must choose one. This includes a daily entree, a chef's salad, peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or a yogurt parfait. All of these are offered every day. In addition to those, you must choose at least one other choice item. A variety of fruits, including fresh and canned, and vegetables are offered, and of course, milk. If you would like all of the items offered, you can choose that. All choice items are self-serve. You may take as many of the fruits and vegetables that you will eat during your lunch within reason. If you forget to pick up a choice, the cashier will remind you that you need to pick one and ask you to pick one up. Your lunch card is your ID card. Please have it available before you reach the cashier. Scan your card and state your name. You may say your first name or your last name or both. If you forget your card, give your name to the cashier and she can look it up. Now this can slow the line way down. If several students forget their card, it lessens the time available for you and others to enjoy your meal. After all, there's only so much time available for lunch. So you want to get your meal. It's really very easy. Let's take a look.
Hey, I'm new here. Can you show me how to get a lunch?
Sure. These are your daily entrees, PB&J, chef salad, or parfait. Today we're having pizza, and that's really good, so I recommend that. You can also choose one of these: tropical fruit, bananas, fresh fruit, and or milk.
Cool.
And make sure you have your ID at all times because that's the way you can pay for a lunch.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna choose the pizza because I really like it.
I think I'll try the parfait.
Remember, like I said earlier, you can choose one side. As long as it's pretty reasonable, you can get as much as you want.
I think I'll have an apple.
And remember, like I said, you can get a milk also. I like chocolate milk. Hey, Paige.
Thank you.
You're welcome.